Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come on, bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, diwid ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na uli.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, bigla ang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila.
And now, hello, back for the last game of our Velvet D-League Season 2 quadruple header Saturday game schedule. San Beda versus Arellano, 15 and under division naman. Miggy C, kasama ko si Diego Vergel de Dios.
Quick bucket from San Beda at that juncture. Quick 2-0 run.
Diego, so far, itong Arellano, all 3 games starting sa ating second game, sila yung naglalaro. Although, iba-iba naman yung division. Pero, from, let's say, 11 a.m. hanggang ngayon, sila pa rin yun eh. Sila yung punong-puno ng blue chips yung ating Saturday action.
Oh, dami pa rin nilang subs, ganun. So hindi sila nang kukulang sa players. Madami silang nakukuha players for all their teams. And it's impressive because yung grassroots program talaga ng Philippines importante kung gusto natin maging top-notch bansa sa basketball sa buong mundo.
San Beda, quick hit coming from number 8, 4-0 run agad para sa Red Cubs.
Despite the early lead, an early substitution by the Red Cubs.
This time around, the Chiefs still hasn't make a bucket, pero yan, right on cue, si number 13, Lugo. While Altamirano with the basketball goes to number 23. Goes to 8. To Aquino. 3 ball. It's good.
Kita mo yung hand-off action doon perfect. Talagang yung hindi nag-communicate yung Arellano. Kaya na-open yung shooter and he splashed it home to build a 5-point lead for the Red Cubs.
5-point swing agad para kay number 8 ng Red Cubs. As Arellano adjust in mid-air. No go with that layup, but still, 2 shots at the line para sa kanya naman.
Brilliant drive to put some pressure on the defense by the Arellano Chiefs in that play.
Okay, so both of these teams, 15 and under division, Diego. San Beda won their first game. Ganun din naman yung Arellano. So, definitely, storya natin dito sa larong to is sino yung magpapatuloy with their clean record or clean slate into this season 2 of the Velvet D-League.
Yeah, nakikita natin ngayon na mukhang San Beda. So far, first 2.5 and change of the quarter. An easy basket converted by their big man off the drop.
As they adjust in mid-air drive, will still miss for Arellano. 9-3.
Arellano, wala pang magandang offensive possession. So let's see how to capitalize. It's an offensive foul.
Uy. So yun nga, sabi mo, kanina wala masyadong offensive sets. Tas lalo pa nagkaroon ng black eye yung Arellano kasi offensive foul pa yung tinawag sa kanila. Turning the ball over to the side of San Beda once again. And the drive by Altimerano hits. The counter for Arellano. Wala. I think that's only a sideline inbound para sa kanya.
I think the head coach of Arellano will get a warning for continuous complaining.
Number 16 crosses over the tough drive. Referees will whistle.
Since Arellano hasn't been having terrific possessions early on, they're putting intense pressure on the defense by forcing themselves to the free throw line.
So far, San Beda with their patented blazing first quarter start. Nararamdaman agad in this game. Quick sub for San Beda. Number 8, their hot shooting point guard. Immediately through in the bench. As ayan na, San Beda hits the jumper once again. So far, parang wala masyadong resistance coming from this baby Chiefs.
Yung horns action talaga doon perfect. Kaya pumunta sila sa ilalim ng screen, di ata nila alam na shooter.
While on the other hand, Arellano will try to get their points once again from the free throw line.
Maagang na penalty ngayon ng San Beda kahit lamang sila ng 10. So Arellano must continue attacking the rim because when San Beda or the Red Cubs are in foul trouble, that might be the opportunity for them to cut on the lead. They continue to miss on the free throw line. One more for number 4 for the 4th point.
So yun lang naman, 'di ba? Kung ikaw yung Arellano, medyo mahirap talaga na ganyan yung nangyayari. You miss on the free throw line. Although, ngayon, nakuha nila yung putback attempt. Pero at the same time, yung San Beda, medyo hot start yung nangyayari. So they need to answer with a hotter start. And right on cue, Arellano, 4-point swing. Altamirano to 32. Altamirano drives left, jumper will fall.
Grabe yung depensa. Alam na siya yung isa sa mga targeted men from the Red Cubs, pero he found a way to swish that through the bottom of the net.
Now Orellana with the possession. The swing, the drive baseline. And there would be a holding foul on number 23.
So free throws na naman tayo dito kasi penalty na kanina pa, di ba?
So, which means a chance for Arellano para makabalik dito sa larong to. Actually, wait, hold on to that. Hindi pa penalty ang Arellano pero hindi pa penalty ang San Beda. So, wait, medyo magulo. Okay, penalty.
Oh,
Penalty.
yeah.
Medyo. So, penalty na talaga ang
Red
ang San
Cubs.
Beda. Yes. So, Arellano, may pagkakataon silang bumalik dito sa game na to without using any time sa ating game clock. Nine to 15 to 9. 5:24 in the first frame. Altamirano drives, splits the D. Teardrop will fall. Now Arellano will have the chance para makabawi. 3 ball is strong. Forward pass. Altamirano was able to save it. 3-point conversion will miss.
Here comes the Baby Chiefs on the other end.
Layup is good for number 11, Arada.
The press of the Baby Chiefs. The steal is not completed.
Number 22, Dipsy Do will miss. And now, Arellano finally secures the basketball. 16. Drives, fouled on that shot.
Maganda yung atake ni 16 dun kasi nakita niya na kahit dalawa yung nasa side niya na defense, pareho silang nakatalikod or nakaside. So yung momentum mo, pag binunggo mo sila, it would be...
Braves. Yung Chiefs kasi yung college. Braves.
Okay, so a little bit correction. Arellano, yung Arellano Braves ang ating Arellano Braves sila when they're in the high school division. So that's why this is a Red Cubs versus the Arellano Braves. The spin. 3-pointer will miss. Marquez. Top fadeaway is miss. 16 naman, top fadeaway din. Ayaw pa rin.
Talagang kahit gusto mo minsan pumahulog yung bola sa loob ng net, ayaw talaga. So tuloy lang, baba sa depensa para sa Braves.
Aureliana with another chance to score. Hopefully it's not from a top fadeaway once again. Although yun natin favorite nila eh. Back-to-back shots kanina, fadeaway na. We may know, low percentage yung mga ganong shots, lalo na fadeaway. So mas mahirap na tira yun.
Ayun, hindi nga lang.
That time around, mas madali naman, pero mintis pa rin. So, but even though Arellano is piling up some misses in this first quarter stretch, they're only down by 5, 17-12 against San Beda.
Nakita man nag-zone defense kasi yung Beda, kaya na-open yung corner. Hindi nga lang na-shoot. It was off the back rim for Arellano.
And they will try once again. The 3 will be short. So San Beda are happy giving Arellano those shots from the perimeter kasi wala pa silang na-shoot in this stretch. Altamirano drives inside. His drive will be stopped, but somehow it ends with Sanbeda once again, pero that time around, it's a foul.
Pursuing the basketball at every given possession. Reward ka talaga with a foul like that. So, possession remains with the Red Cubs with a 5-point cushion with 2:40 left in the quarter.
The corner three swishes it in for Sanbeda.
It's a quick shot off the inbound, caught the defense napping, knocked it down from long distance.
Arellano could not mirror the conversion, but they steal the ball once again and gets an easier shot to stop their drought. At ayan na naman po sila with another steal. The Braves. Strong move. Now they will need to get those points from the free throw line.
Pag nakita nyo paano nakuha ng Arellano yung steal na yun is nag 2-2-1 press sila at sa 2-2-1 press na yun na double team nila yung isang kalaban at natapon lang yung bola at kaya nakakuha ng easy semi-transition opportunity yung Braves sa possession na yun.
19-14. Arellano, or rather Sanbeda with the lead. Now after the timeout, Sanbeda inbound.
Same press for Arellano after the timeout.
But a steal coming from the Braves. A strong move will not result into a conversion, but it will be a traveling infraction. Infraction rather.
Tingnan natin kung anong bago gagawin ng Braves. Ayan, iba na ang depensa nila, hindi na sila nag 2-2-1 press. So,
but this time around, susubukan itrap itong number 77, nowhere to go. Sanbeda trying to escape the defense of Arellano. The flip shot will miss.
So the Braves will have 2 freebies at the charity stripe since the Red Cubs are in the penalty.
And now, Sanbeda will reclaim the possession. Number 32 checks in for them. 77. Fakes, nowhere to go. That time around,
Some man-to-man defense by Arellano caught Sanbeda in an uncomfortable position which caused the turnover. So the Braves are trying to knot it up with 50 seconds left in the first canto.
89-25. The left wing three will be way short. Mabuti na lang nandun yung kanyang kampe para makakuha ng 2 shots at the line. 40.9 remaining sa ating first frame.
Excellent mindset by the Braves. 5-minute mark pa lang, penalty na ata yung Red Cubs eh. So talagang sabi ng coach na siguro, pilitin nyo na lang ng pilitin ipasok sa loob kasi makakuha kayo ng free throws. And tama naman, as the deficit is now down to 1 for the Arellano.
So far, yung Arellano Braves dito sa ating 15 and under division, nakukuha din nila yung sa high school division din na yung mentality na kahit gaano kalaki yung lamang, mahahabol nila.
Oo.
And now, this time around, they have the chance to take the lead, and they will! Arellano Braves, 20, San Beda, 19. Nanigate agad nila yung furious first quarter early run ng San Beda.
That was a punctuating block, but then not all ball on that possession for Arellano. So 2 shots for number 6.
So far, Arellano still has the chance to get the lead once again. Unfortunately, missing on the first one. So the best thing that they can do for the meantime is to tie this game. And they will. Arellano, 13.1 remaining in the first quarter. Chance for them to write the last sentence of the first frame. They will not be able to convert, but another shot. Still no go. And now we end the first frame with the score 20 apiece. Arellano kontra sa San Beda. Magbabalik kami.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet Delete, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina.
Story. And now we're back, second quarter. Labanan ng San Beda versus Arellano. Both of these teams here in the 15 and under division ng ating Velvet D-League Season 2 have won their first game. Ngayon, tabla tayo 20 apiece para malaman kung sinong makakakuha ng second victory of the season.
Oh, it's a back and forth affair. Masayang game to. I think it's gonna be decided in the final 5 minutes of the fourth quarter.
Might be as Arellano gets the steal once again. And the fast break attack is successful with a foul. So pagkakataon para 3-point swing para kay number 16.
It's a fantastic drive with a lack of rim protection from the Red Cups. He went all the way to the rack and took advantage of the open lane to complete the 3-point play for Arellano.
And now Arellano up by 2. San Beda, they need to generate some offense here in the second frame. 77, open. Magmimintas lang sa 3. And now 19 of Arellano's running. The spin move, the escape. What a beautiful finish coming from Sapo.
ganda nung ginawa ni Sapo doon. Nakita naman niya na may defense na sa may kanan niya. Kahit strong side niya yun, dinala niya sa kabila para ma-convert niya yung jelly layup.
And more importantly, Arellano has now a 4-point lead. So, 2-possession ball game agad. Sa team na kaninang first quarter, nahihirapan nung mga first 5 minutes. Now, second quarter, they're up ahead. San Beda, flip shot, still a miss. Now, another fast break attack will be successful for Arellano. Si Sapo na naman muli yung nagtapos nun para sa Arellano Braves.
Nakikita mo they take advantage of the slow going back down of San Beda, and they're able to convert on several layups now in the first half to build a 6-point cushion.
16 on the run. Arellano on a furious hot start in the second frame.
Napakagaling nung ginawa ni Pilas doon. Double clutch layup kahit naman na dalawa yung sumabay. Pinasabit lang niya at pasok yun para sa Arellano, who are now up by 8 points at only less than 2 minutes in the second quarter.
28-20. Still, score will remain at that juncture. At last touch will be, is it Arellano ball?
Bola ng Arellano.
So yun, may pagkakataon muli ang Arellanong palakihin yung kanilang kalamangan, pero malalaman natin yan after this short break.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na
Now, second quarter of action resumes. Arellano on the verge of making it a double-digit lead against San Beda Red Cubs. 7:50 mark of the second quarter, and the three-pointer will fall.
Nakita mo na si number 8 doon, talagang he took advantage of the 2-3 zone defense of Beda na medyo hindi masikip, and sa tingin ko dapat di na mag-zone yung Beda. Next possession, tingnan natin kung mag-work.
Meanwhile, number 4 could not complete a three-pointer. And Arellano looks like number 19 was caught stepping at the line. Bola babalik sa San Beda. Red Cubs will have another shot to cut this deficit. Pero magmimintis. And Arellano run and gun action continues in the second frame.
Unselfish play, another one. Oh!
Uy, sayang lang. San Beda finally secures the board. And they will attack. 2 shots para kay number 8.
Bilis ng awareness ni number 8 doon kasi since nagkagulo sa kabilang side, nakita niya na dalawa lang ang dumidepensa sa Arellano nung possession na yun. So, bago pa makapaba yung tatlo, sinigurado na niya na makaka-layup siya, whether yan ngayon, 2 shots or shoot niya.
Okay, so San Beda missing still. While eto si number 8 nila, sobrang ano eh. So, eto ano to eh, no first quarter, nagkaroon siya ng 5-0 run. This time around, syempre, when San Beda's offense is struggling, isa siya sa mga hanapin talaga nila.
Hindi naman niya kailangan magmadali rin. Just chip into the deficit. score siya ng mga 2, 4, 6 points. Hindi naman kailangan in like 30 seconds. Pero kung siya yung main catalyst, kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang para mabawasan naman doon dosing kalamangan ng Arellano.
The Braves has the basketball. 8 fires away. Will miss. Somehow, the smallest man on the floor was able to get the offensive rebound. Number 10 drives the middle. The flip shot, still a miss. Cross-court pass. Spin, 24, nowhere to go. That's a good basket, pero nagkaroon siya ng traveling, so nullified. Sayang.
Sayang execution. Maganda na yung mga ball movement ng Arellano doon at talagang na-open, pero sa hindi na nga na-count for the Braves.
Kung baga sa fast food restaurant, mampavoid yung tira niya. Sayang lang kasi the jumper was able to fall, pero that time around traveling nga. While meanwhile, San Beda, malamig na malamig pa rin sa 3. But number 8's hustle was able to give Arellano the basketball once again.
Let's see what the Braves can do in order to sustain this 12-point lead. Alam naman natin with the pedigree of San Beda na babalik siya at babalik hanggang sa dulo. So, yung Arellano, kailangan they should find the holes in this 2-3 zone defense in this possession.
While Arellano finds the corner 3, just could not make it fall. As Altamirano is back in this game, zigzagging his way through the acrobatic shot. Ayaw! 22 will go at the line for 2 shots.
Makikita natin na si Altamirano aggressive. I think he's one of the players who can be a terrific initiator of the offense of San Beda. So they should rely on him to create offense for him and his teammates, lalo na humahabol sila sa ngayong pagkakataon.
Tsaka yun si Altamirano is playing in the 15 and under division, so definitely mga around 15 o pababa pa lang yan, pero kung makikita mo yung build niya, he's already built like a tank at a young age. Grabe yung upper body strength ni Altamirano, so definitely yung physical nandyan na eh. So yung ano na lang eh, yung kung paano siya gagalaw sa court and how to help his team to make a win. Kasi yung San Beda Red Cubs ngayon, they're trailing by 11 points.
Oh, tama ka dyan. And I think yung execution talaga nung physical strength niya is the combination that will make him a lethal weapon.
Yes.
Turnover by the Braves on that possession.
So a chance once again for the Red Cubs to trim this lead. So San Beda with the basketball. Altamirano from the left wing. 2-1. Swing, 3 will fall.
Yung talaga butas ng zone defense. Pag mabilis yung passing, hindi maka-laterals yung kalaban. Open shot. Bang for San Beda.
A good defense. Walang nagawa yung attack ni number 10 Arellano, pero that time around, Lugo was able to get the steal, and number 8 fires from long distance. Magmimintis lang.
Relax lang daw muna, sabi ng San Beda. Hindi sila nagmadali in that possession.
Altamirano drives. Strong move. He will be rewarded for 2 shots at the free throw line once again.
Sinasabi natin kay Altamirano kanina, yung built niya nga, normally ngayon kasi mga strength and conditioning, sobrang rampant ngayon in this generation.
Yes.
So, I think him building his body, not only focusing on the basketball court or the drills on the court, super important yan sa development niya, especially ngayon, nasa under 15 division pa lang tayo of the Velvet D-League.
And in this modern day of basketball, importante na talaga yun strength and conditioning. Kasi we already saw some basketball programs na talagang nag-excel dahil nilagay nila sa premium yung kanilang strength and conditioning.
Tama.
As Arellano begins their lead with a trifecta coming from number 24, and there's Another steal. Arellano will miss.
Yan ang
Number 8.
yan ang sinasabi ng mga coaches na you need to meet the ball when they pass it.
Good pass. Coming from Altamirano, but number 30 rather, could not just convert. Good thing is, babalik siya sa free throw line for 2 more shots. .306 remaining before halftime. Still Arellano up by 11. Marquez, baseline drive, off the glass, hindi tatama. And now Altamirano, easy 2 for him.
Fantastic fast break layup for the Red Caps in that possession to cut it to a single-digit lead for the Braves.
At this time around, Lou Gojak sa a mid-range shot. But number 10 was able to clean it all up.
Persistence in the offensive glass, very vital sa 11-point cushion ng Arellano this afternoon.
And so far, with Arellano having a really good second quarter, dagdag mo pa yung layup ni Marquez, nakikita natin hindi na lumalayo sa sa double-digit lead yung lamang ng Braves. San Beda could cut it down to around 9 pero babalik agad. And now, we're looking at a 40-27 score.
Pag ganun talaga, pag humahabol yung composure, yung challenge, and so far, pinapakita naman ng Arellano na composed sila kahit nagkamali ng isa o dalawa. Hindi nila aabot ng mga 5 or 6 na mali. Kaya, ayun, lamang pa rin sila ng 13.
So, continue of action. 14 seconds sa shot clock ng Arellano. But the coaching staff of the Braves will call for time. We will be right back.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid.
Quick basket off the timeout from the Braves as the lead is now at 15 points for Arellano, and they're still doing the 2-2-1 press.
Altamirano trying to break that press. He won't be successful. San Beda could not convert on that possession. Teardrop off the glass, it's good.
Grabe, 1-on-4 yun for Marquez, pero wala siyang paki. Gumawa pa rin siya ng paraan. At di siya walang masasabi ang mga kakampi at coaches niya kasi sure ball ang tira na yun for Marquez.
And now, kakabalik lang natin from the timeout. We will head into another timeout. This time around, San Beda called for time.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang
San Beda with the possession, 30, spins, finds a way. He evades the D, gets the 2.
Yun ang mga gustong makita ng mga coaches pag gumamit ng timeout. Easy basket.
Uy, an unfortunate backcourt violation coming from Arellano.
Nakuha nila yung backcourt na yun dahil nag-press nga sila nung nasa guhit kagad para may additional defender which is the midline. Kaya parang na triple team yung point guard ng Arellano sa lagay na yun and forced him to throw the ball away.
Altamirano, 23, baseline drive, foul will be called. So that's not a shooting foul, which means Red Cubs will be having only a baseline inbound.
Two shots here for the Red Cubs as they try to slice down the deficit. This is the first.
Red Cubs still on a 15-point deficit. So yun nga, kailangan nilang they need to adjust things up para makabawi dito. As a corner 3 will be unleashed, that will be too strong for Arellano. The cyclone pass goes to no one coming from Altamirano.
Masyadong pinilit eh. Hindi naman niya kailangan ipasa ng ganun. Di pa naman 2 seconds left in the quarter. So, needs to bounce back with a fantastic defensive stop now.
Ano sa tingin mo? Kaya ba ginawa yun? It's because of frustration or talagang bad execution lang dun sa pasa?
Feeling ko nadulas yung bola eh. May pinipilit niya kasi masyado or attach siya masyadong ipasa. Kaya nagkaroon ng ganong instance for the Red Cubs. Pero they bounce back with an easy 2 points to cut it down to 12.
And now they could get a steal. Unfortunately, nakatakas itong Arellano. 3-pointer to no avail.
That's a splendid shot by Arellano. Pero ang problema, hindi nga alam pumasok. Buti lang yung offensive rebound. Now we have one more shot for the Braves.
Another corner shot still. A miss for them. 8 somehow picks it up, lays it up, and in. 10 seconds before halftime. Marquez splits the D and somehow runs into an unstable Red Cubs barricade. Tatawagan ng foul doon yung mga red shirts.
Blocking foul yun. Unfortunate with 5.5, pero it's a foul to give. So here's the last possession of the quarter.
Oy, Marquez caught dancing to Chacha on that play.
Ito, pwede niya na itapo ng malayo.
Pero hindi, malapit naman daw. As 8, the heave. Sayang lang, but still, we end the first half. Arellano 44, San Beda 34. And now, we go to our halftime break.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo mo ang kaya mong gawin. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come on, bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulok pa si Steve Nash, diwid ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, wala.
And now to start the third quarter, naririnig nyo yung energy biglang nagkaroon itong San Beda bench. Mainly because their squad is down by 12 against the R. Preliano Braves.
Let's see how they'll execute in this first possession. Oh,
Still, good attempt, pero wasn't able to convert. As Arellano will be heading to the line for 2 shots once again.
so it's a three-pointer by San Beda to open the frame. It's a long rebound which led to the semi-transition opportunity. Kaya nasa free throw line ngayon ang Arellano.
Perfect 2 out of 2 from the field. .929. Altamirano drives, lefty layup, will miss, somehow steals the ball, the head and shoulder fake, and the basket.
Ganda mo yun, nakikita mo na talagang, ngayon, another one for Altamirano. Oh, he gives it up. It's another quick 4-0 spurt by the Red Cubs.
And you know, ganyan talagang ginagawa ng starter, di ba? Sometimes you share the ball to your teammates para mas ma-involve sila. You get them going, and maybe dahil doon yung mga other players ng San Beda uminit dito sa ating third quarter.
Ganun talaga isa sa mga attributes or traits ng leader. Hindi lang pwedeng ikaw ang gumawa. Lead by example ka nga, pero kailangan vocal ka din, kailangan selfless leader ka din. And nakita natin may upside si Altamirano maging isang ganong player.
Definitely. While meantime, Aureliano missing on the 3. San Beda gets the board. Ayan na naman po si Altamirano. Huli on that play coming from the Braves. Altamirano, top fadeaway, converts. Slowly, this is turning out to be his show in the third.
The man's being the catalyst to this run of the Red Cubs.
And that made shot by Altamirano, sending energy to their bench. Number 1 to Altamirano. To 8. Give and go basketball.
Sayang, nasa kanya na yung confidence, sa kanya na yung rhythm, binigay niya pa. Open floater sana yun, or midi. No?
A case of being too unselfish on that time.
Oo, tama ka dyan.
Pero ito, this time, Aureliano. Short stab to no avail. Aquino will be called for a foul on that rebound battle.
Quick shot from the inbound, yeah. Pero ball stays with the Braves with 14 on the shot clock.
Roa finds Sapo. Elbow jumper is money for him.
Sapo saw the screen, his defender was stuck in it, took advantage, popped the jumper and swished it home.
Number 1 drives. Pass will be deflected. 10 seconds para sa shot clock ng ating San Beda Red Cubs. Eight, hounded by the Braves, swings it to number 1. No.
The Cubs went ISO on that possession, but they almost came up with an open three-pointer that almost found the bottom of the net.
As ito, si number 8, no hesitation, but still a miss. And that's the wildest pass in this game. And believe me, we saw different wild pass in this game. Ito siguro yung pinaka mas wild pa dun sa cyclone pass ni Altamirano no second quarter.
Masyadong risky eh. Kala mo naman outfielder sa baseball eh. Parang from the right field to the catcher, ganun kind of analogy eh. Pero masyadong malayo pasa yung ganun.
That time around, the attack of San Beda will be called for a foul. But it will only be a baseline inbound once again. Red Cubs down by 10. (23) asking for a screen. Lefty jumper. Short. Aureliano pedal to the metal, but still short on that lane. Another chance, ayaw pa rin. Third shot. Finding a better look. Number 7 flips it up. Still no go. The special delivery finds the end of the basket.
Kita mo yung fortitude and drive ng Aureliano sa possession na yun. 5 or 6 na possessions and opportunities, and you knew that they were going to convert eventually because of their hunger to grab the basketball.
Number 1 asking for another screen. Pulls up from the mid-range. Missing. Altamirano. Point blank shot. Will miss. Now, here comes number 4 on the move. Short on that shot. Good. Good defense coming from Aquino. 23. With the half spin to Altamirano. Drives. Drop zero. Beautiful execution coming from the Red Cubs.
Nasayangan yung siguro yung ibang tao nung nag-fake siya sa open 3, but then the outcome was still a positive one for San Beda.
But ito naman, Arellano, positive play din to mirror the conversion.
Pag binigyan ka ng easy opportunities, wag mo na pakawalan, katulad ng ginawa ng Arellano sa possession na yun.
Same around, another wild pass, but saved by the Red Cubs. And Aquino somehow, some way finds the ball and gives it to the basket.
Here come the Red Cubs cheers, down 10 with 4 minutes left, trying to cut it to single digits before the 4th frame.
4:04 remaining. Arellano could not hit the 3. The Braves' second shot, a bit strong. Third one is good.
Grabe yung offensive rebounds discrepancy, talagang yun yung telling story of this game.
And San Beda will call for some time, trying to find some adjustments before the end of the third. Magbabalik kami.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa ka.
And now, San Beda still staring on a 12-point deficit. Parang hindi naman super na ibaba itong kalamangan ng Arellano in this third frame. Although San Beda's doing the right plays in this quarter.
Oh, nakikita mo yung defense ng Arellano, straight man-to-man defense lang, no switches, tough shot. Pero an offensive foul on the Braves in that possession, masyadong nagmadali dahil nakita na open ang interior ng paint. So balls back with San Beda with 3:15 left in the third.
(23) goes to Aquino, pero mababasa yung pasa ng Arellano, and here they go in the fast break attack. At ayun na naman, offensive rebound telling the story of this entire game.
Sabi ko sa iyo, yung grit and determination ng Arellano talagang is gonna pay off eventually. Kahit kanina, hindi nila ma-shoot yung mga close shots nila through their offensive rebounds. Nakakailan na ngayong third period na pumapasok, kaya umangat na naman sa 14 ang lamang nila.
Ngayon, pagkakataon for Arellano to bring their lead to 15. Fortunately, they miss. Aquino with the rebound. Good hustle, but it will go for a knot this time as San Beda still with the basketball. Aquino to number 8, to 22, 8 seconds to shoot.
It's an unfortunate reach and foul with less than 10 seconds stand in the shot clock. Gave San Beda a glimmer of hope in this possession again. (30 dribbles, loses the ball, turnover for San Beda.
And now, ooh, a counter steal by number 8. He's running. Drops it though. 23, Dipsy do. To no avail. Good defense coming from the Braves. And now, Arellano, Hesse. Pambansang reverse ang tawag doon. Ika nga.
Grabe nga yung reverse. Usually, nakikita natin sa kabilang side. Ito, through the left hand. So, maybe offhand niya and talagang na-shoot pa rin niya yun kahit napakahirap na shot na yun.
And Marquez with the steal. The breakaway 2 is good.
Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ngayong hapon dito sa Velvet D-League. 18-point lead na for Arellano.
San Beda still having problems coming from the defense na pinaparamdam ng Arellano. And the fast break attacks of Arellano Braves so far working for them. If hindi makuha yung initial shot, yung grit and yung relentlessness ng Arellano doing wonders in this game.
Yeah, yun tingin ko yung differentiating factor. If you want the game more, talagang iba yung result na mapapakita doon. And Arellano's been consistent for the first 29 minutes of this game that they really want it more compared to San Beda.
Altamirano to 23. Drives the middle. Somehow, Altamirano gets it. Teardrop is a miss. At yan na naman yung gang rebound ng Arellano. And then run and gun. Their hustle. Trying to prevail in this battle. Pero ayaw. Sabi ng San Beda, enough is enough.
Feeling ko mga close to 15 offensive rebounds ng Arellano in this quarter. Pero in that possession, fortunately for San Beda nga na hindi na shoot ng Arellano. They need to cut down on that in the fourth if they want to have some sort of comeback.
Number 8 to Altamirano, the dish off. Uy, sayang lang yun. Tutukan na. Pero still no conversion.
Mali yung pectus no?
Marquez to his teammate Arada. Triple will miss. Altamirano to 23 to Altamirano once again. Some give and go action for San Beda. 8 to 34.
3-second violation.
Case of overpassing naman. Yung parang ang dami mong pasa na ang ganda na nga nung look, hindi mo pa tinitira. Diba, ends up in a waste.
Oo, alam mo naman, diba? Like you call plays to get open. Kaya nga pag open, dapat itira mo na talaga. Kung hindi, may 3 seconds ka pa.
Ito, tulad ni Marquez, magmimintes.
Oo.
Pero, at least he hit or he tried an attempt. And we end the third frame with Arellano just overpowering and out-hustling San Beda in the third quarter, 62 to 44. We'll go on a short break.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito
Close to a 20-point deficit. Yan yung tinitignan ng San Beda ngayon. Good news for them is they still have 10 minutes of basketball to play to find something here in the fourth frame.
Yeah, San Beda with a quick 2 points off a drop pass.
Arada evades the D, lefty, jumper is good.
Yung Arellano, nakaapak pa rin sa gas pedal. Talagang yung intensity nila on both ends, hindi nawawala eh.
And now a counter score coming from San Beda. Yung ginagawa kasi ng Arellano kaninang third quarter, parang pag-aatake sila, wala silang pake. Aatake sila, bad shot kung bad shot kasi alam nila yung kakampi nila nandun para kukunin yung offensive rebound.
Talaga yun yung gusto ko sa any basketball team, yung kumpiyansa talaga makikita mo sa Arellano kasi alam nila yung teammates nila got their backs every time. Kaya tuloy-tuloy, nilalampaso na nila. 20 na ngayon ang lamang ng Arellano and still nagpo-full court pressure pa din sila.
And not forgiving itong depensa ng Arellano in this game. Not only the defense by Arellano Braves, but even their offensive rebound. Hindi talaga mapagpatawad eh. Pinapahirapan na nga dito sa depensa and pag sa rebound battle, ganun din yung ginagawa nila sa Red Cubs.
Ayan na.
And another steal by Marquez. No sweat layup for him.
Full court press pa din.
Almost a steal, but that time, a foul on Arellano.
For San Beda to try to cross the ball faster, medyo kailangan mas madami yung tumulong sa point guard nila kasi kanina, in that possession at least kahit na foul, dalawa lang yung nandun eh. Tapos 3 or 4 yung nagpe-pressure, so medyo mahirap talaga matawid.
77 to Altamirano. Ball strip away. 2v2 fast break. Arellano could not convert. Grabe yun, oh. Grabing action niya. Nakita mo yung ginawa ng Arellano. Yung fast break attack nila nagmintes. Pero nahirapan si number 77 na mag-rebound. Mababa yung bola kasi nandun yung active hands coming from Arada. Ayaw lang talaga nilang ayaw nila bigyan ng madaling buhay itong San Beda in this game.
Nakikita ko talaga that they really start everything through their defense and through their intensity in the game. Kaya they're up by 20 with 7 minutes left. Kaya kailangan lang nila ipagpatuloy ito and liliit ang chance ang makahabol ng San Beda.
Marquez will be fouled. A while ago, San Beda was able to convert a basket. Pero this time around, mukhang kayang inegate yon ng 2 free throws ni Marquez. But for the meantime, we'll be heading into a timeout.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag ginagis.
Now we're back in the fourth quarter. Arellano with Marquez at the line has a chance to bring their lead to 21. Marquez misses both free throws.
Feel ko San Beda kailangan mga 13 or 12 lamang nila sa halfway point. 12 na lang lamang ng Arellano at the halfway point of the quarter if they wanna have some sort of chance to win this ball game.
Now it's 70 to 52. Marquez on the move. One-hander falls. Balik tayo sa 20. So exchanging baskets. Not really what you want when you're San Beda. Altamirano scores on the other side.
So ngayon nagpe-press na rin ng San Beda. Man-to-man press to. Then a double team and turnover. Oh,
Almost a turnover.
almost a turnover.
Ito Arellano. Just pin at the rim on that attack. Arada finds Lugo underneath. Gives it back. Arada! Just in midair. Ang gandang tira nun.
Nakita niya, evades the defense. Wala namang help sa kabila. Doon na lang niya dinala. And yung athleticism niya evident nung play na yun.
22 easy shot is good for San Beda. But that still doesn't solve yung problema na nag-exchange lang sila ng basket eh. They need to get a stop as Lugo scores easily at the other end for Arellano.
Feeling ko talaga yung depensa ng San Beda. Madami silang kailangan ayusin for their next contest kasi easy baskets lang yung nakukuha ng Arellano. Like that one from number 11, Arada again.
Another strong finish coming from their aggressive guard na si Arada. On the other side, San Beda still scores, converts another basket. But Diego, yung San Beda, siguro nga kaya they're being manhandled by Arellano in this game. Eh, wala yung one of their guards na si Nonato who a while ago was able to talk with him. Sabi niya he wants to, gusto niya din maglaro pero hindi siya makakalaro in this game. Gusto niya makabawi kasi last time out si Nonato for San Beda ng 15 under also plays for the 17 and under team nila. Nung last week, kalaban ng 17 and under, Arellano 17 and under and natalo din yung San Beda noon. So gusto niya sanang makabawi yung kanyang teammates pero looking with 4 and 40 yung sa checklist mo na dapat 12-point lead na lang to for Arellano, hindi nagawa ng San Beda. So baka Arellano Braves 1 foot at the door na sila in this game.
Yun nga, missing his services. Malaking kawalan yun for San Beda in this game. Nahalata yun. But then, it's not the end yet. I mean, maybe it's the end for this league. But then, there are other leagues na baka mag-meet pa sila ng Arellano and may pagkakataon pa siya makabawi. So now it's more of looking at the silver linings and the positives from this game from his teammates, even if he's observing from the bench.
Pero grabe naman. Grabe ka naman dun sa sa end of this journey for these two rivals. Malay mo, sila din naman magtagpo sa dulo.
Pwede din.
Or maybe in the playoffs sila yung magtagpo.
Yeah.
And then, but for this day, Arellano just cruising against San Beda, 78-59. So, we'll go on another timeout. Magbabalik kami.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha!
Fourth quarter of action. San Beda with the basketball. Altamirano to 30. The 3 will miss. And now, another chance. So San Beda will go to the free throw line once again. Pero so far, San Beda not much. Hindi natin sila masyadong nakikita sa free throw line. Unlike Arellano na ilang beses natin sila nakita nung first half. Second half, ganun din yung storya.
Yeah, with 4 minutes remaining, anything can still happen. Pero for San Beda, they need to try to shift yung laro nila for the first 36 minutes. Eh. So nakikita mo na naka 3-point swing sila dyan. Eh. So, you know, build the habits that you want for the next game. Because mahaba pa naman ang tournament na to and the other leagues they're joining.
As Arellano scores once again. 80-62. Foul before that. Nice block coming from Lugo.
This is what I'm talking about in terms of building habits. Nakita mo na back to the free throw line naman sila compared to the limited attempts they were receiving in the first 2 quarters of play. So, in the next game, yung free throw attempts nila could be better kasi they've had trouble setting up their plays in the half court. So, mas maganda kung yung free throws, ayan, they are able to get easier baskets compared to the man-to-man, exploiting the man-to-man defense of Arellano this afternoon.
Now we'll be having a jump ball. Possession arrow will go to Arellano. And San Beda gets a steal. Uy! That's the second time na parang sobrang tutukan pero magmimintas yung San Beda.
Such a sorry miss in that juncture.
At look at that rebound coming from Pilas. Grabing pagano nun. Buwis-buhay rebound yun while his teammate number 10 sealing the deal with the 3-pointer.
Ferriols might have put the icing on the cake with a 3-pointer. 20-point cushion with 3:01 remaining in the fourth. Might be just done and over with for Arellano. Oh, seeing San Beda nga, they're talking about their half-court offense. Medyo there's some cause of concern. Pero also on their defensive end. Kasi yun nga, they play good defense. Pero yung rebound, hindi nila makuha eh. So, heading into the game, kahit wala yung height, they need to learn how to box out better and position themselves better and time their jumps better in order for them to limit the possessions of their opponents.
As the 3 will miss. And here comes Arellano once again.
Makikita mo talaga yung Arellano, how they get their points. Nothing fancy or highlight worthy. They just do the dirty work, show their grit and determination. Kaya napapadali yung buhay nila in scoring all these 85 points this afternoon.
Ito ba, Diego, yung 85 points ba masyadong malaki ba yan for a high school match? So, dapat kailangan nilang i-contain pa next time?
Oo, kailangan nilang i-contain kasi nga San Beda gave them so many extra opportunities. It's not like Arellano shot 50 or 60% from the field eh. Madami lang sila talagang attempts today. Kaya since kahit di ka super proficient with shooting pero madami kang attempts, eventually papasok naman yun lalo na pag open eh. Kaya yun yung naging deciding factor, telling factor for the Braves today.
Kumbaga, more chances of winning pag parati kang tumataya sa loto. Ganun yung ginagawa ng ng Arellano rather. Just trying to shoot the basket as many times, di ba, as San Beda can. And in this game, sobrang dominating. 85-65 against the Red Cubs.
Yun, pumuhol sa tres si number 17. It's been one of the numerous threes only of San Beda in this match.
Parang rare moment yun na nakakuha ng tres itong San Beda. Si 17 gets the board. The behind the back, a bit fancy on that play, kaya mawawala yung bola sa San Beda.
Oo nga eh, kasi pag feeling ko mga down 17, they should avoid doing that na kasi yun nga, it will build habits that you will bring to the next game. And dapat mag-focus ka more sa intangibles and sa mga basics muna kasi natatalo na nga kayo eh. Kaya feeling ko dapat di na niya ginawa yun in that possession.
3 ball. Still good! And you know, ayan, nararamdaman mo yung tres ni number 27 sends energy to that Arellano Braves bench.
Makikita mo na mahal siya yung mga teammates niya. And usually, pag mga blowouts na ganito, yung mga pinapasok na players, you really hype them up and cheer them, give them confidence because they get the minutes that maybe they don't get in some contests. But then today, nakita mo na yung booming triple niya might give him confidence for the following matches.
And then yung mga ganyang mga player, yun yung parang I feel para silang mga bunso sa team.
Oo, ganun yun.
Pag ginagamit ng coach, everybody at the bench from the first man to the last man na nakaupo will support him.
May mga players talaga na ganyan, katulad nila Taco Fall, nila Boban Marjanovic. Pag nanonood kayo ng NBA, ganyan din sila.
Wag tayo lalayo, Jerwin Gako.
Jerwin Gako din,
diba?
yun, sa local
Sa
league.
PBA, grabe,
Yes.
wild yung ganung wild si Jerwin Gako na naalala ko kasi pag si Jerwin Gako naman ginagamit sa Magnolia nun, sabi, pag ginagamit, sure win na.
Tama.
Ganong memes. And eto si Paulino. Ayun, magli-leak out play pa siya. There's another chance for him. Sayang lang yun.
Sayang.
I think we could hear the bench roar once again kung nakascore to si Paulino. But with last 6 seconds in this quarter, Arellano, it's already their game for the taking. Ano lang to we're just finalizing the final moments of this game. Ikaw, Diego, kung may sasabihin ka sa San Beda, ano yung gusto mong sabihin para mabaon nila for the next game?
Just think about the silver linings of the game. Watch film again. Talk about like how they kept attacking the rim and forcing Arellano in defense. I think that was a great thing that they had. It opens up more free throws and hopefully in the next game they're able to bring that.
And that is it. Arellano winning with the big one against San Beda, 88-71. This is your last game of the Velvet D-League Season 2 for this Saturday. Huwag kayong aalis. We still have an interview with the best player of this match.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet D-League.
Kasama natin ngayon ang best player of the game, si Lawrence Pillas from the Arellano Braves. So gusto ko kita i-congratulate for the win. So yung 88 points, mataas yun for a 40-minute game. So anong ginawa nyo para tumaas yung score nyo?
Nag-prepare lang po kami sa aming practice. Ginagawa lang po namin yung pinapractice namin sa loob. And sabi po ni Coach, tiwala lang po sa kampe, bigay lang po namin yung best namin.
Tsaka yung tiwala nakikita namin sa offensive rebounding yun. Dami yung offensive rebounds kahit mag-miss okay lang. So sobrang importante ba sa inyo yung offensive rebounds kaya ang dami yung nasushoot?
Opo. Importante daw po yung sabi ni Coach. Sipag lang daw po. Tsaka
So anong madadala mo na talagang makita mong importante for the next game since mahaba pa naman yung tournaments, meron pa kayo mga sinasalihan?
magpe-prepare lang po kami. Preparation lang po ng team. Practice lang po. Lagi po kami nagpa-practice araw-araw.
So mga gusto ko ba batiin or mga gusto ko pa sa halabatan?
Binabati ko po yung pamilya ko na lagi nakasuporta sa akin. Binabati ko rin po yung mga pinsan ko. Sila Kuya Embol po, sila Kuya Paolo, sila Nanay Uda po, sila Tatay Pableng, sila Tinses, sila Ashley po, and sila Kuya Toto po, sila Kuya Tingting po, sila Ate Aileen po. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching today on our Velvet T-League, and thank you for watching. Thank you, congrats bro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga, di ka papagulang kahit panapa.